Good Monday morning, everybody. It's today, Monday. I believe it's May 6th. Yes, that is correct. And I just got in here looking at the YM and looking to get into a short here on the 3-wick Renko. We had a early pullback bar, not quite coming up here. We have resistance up here, right up in here. Let me just draw this line in here. So if we hit up that area, we won't be inside the value area of the main time frame. So we're going to go over the small time frame here. You can see we're very close to resistance. So I'm going to put a stop limit order right in here at 1901. And if we get filled, it'll manage it as if it was the smaller time frame chart, going for a 2-brick stop and a 4-brick target, and then trailing. So we'll see how it works out. If it pulls back up here, a little bit past this, we'll jump over to the main time frame and trade that. So I'll be back. Okay, we did get executed in at this price here, 14,901. You can see where our target's at. We will go 3 bricks here and move our stop to break even. Should it come down here and hopefully get filled and then trail to the downside from here. We are not in a state of reverse divergence. We have a lower low here, so we have permission to take this trade. Looks like a nice setup. Our stop is above resistance, so let's see if the market can come down and give us a nice short. Some time has passed. Trade came down, actually signaled in. We got in early, and right now we're about 20 minutes to the open, and let's see what happens with it. Okay, we're about a minute from the open, New York Open, the 9:30 Eastern Time Open. Price really hasn't gone anywhere during this time, almost 1 hour here. So let's just see the type of price action we get at the open. And like I usually tell people, price tends to continue in the direction of Momo right at the open. Hopefully it doesn't hit our stop before that happens. However, there was a main time frame entry over here that I could have gotten into, which would bring the stop up further. However, I decided to use a smaller time frame, so that's what I'm going to stick to. So let's see what happens here. At the open, very, very slow market action today, pre-market, except in oil. Oil gave a really nice swing down. Nice trade I was able to take advantage of in another account, so I'm not including it in this video. So here we go. There's your price action. Again, if we get down to here, this will automatically move to break even. See if we can get some follow through to the downside. Watching the ES carefully. As long as it doesn't pop up, we should be good. Not a lot of follow through going anywhere. Resistance is holding. See, make sure we are open. Yes, we are open. Now I'll let you know what happened. All right, we did get stopped out of this. On the smaller time frame chart. In this case, you opened, followed through a little bit, but then really didn't go anywhere. See if we can take another trade to the downside here. Oops, don't want that. still have Momo alignment. This closes up here. We'll be out of it. We do have the Russell powering up, and with the ES, so YM is lagging to the upside. However, the Russell is in the state of reverse divergence, bearish reverse divergence, so it's got a possibility of turning around. All right, now we're going to manage this as a main time frame trade. This is where I'm going to make an adjustment. We're one tick from this double bottom. I'm just going to pull it up here. It's not quite 2 to 1. However, it's very close. It's a smart adjustment. This way it doesn't have to break through this double bottom should it come back down here. Again, the difference between a gambler and a trader is a trader has the ability to move targets to logical places based on support and resistance. And this is obviously support. See if we can get some Momo follow through back to the downside on both these markets. Stop to go to break even. All right, we got our target filled. So I'll let you know how the trailer works out. I'll be moving this trailer down with stop dots if we're lucky enough. So right now, P&Ls are up $80, one loser, one winner. So basically, that's the way it should be when you have a 2 to 1 reward to risk, and we still have a trailer on here. So, you know, we could be up quite a bit more right now if I wanted to just close out. However, I'm going to try to take full advantage of this support area here, see if it can break. If it does, we can be headed down. Made the adjustment, took the profit before it. You know, 2/3 of the position. As traders, we have the luxury to do that. Smart, as far as I'm concerned, it's a very smart move. Let me put the markers on here. While this market's just sitting here bouncing around, we did hit resistance and bounce back off, but don't have enough profit in to do an ad on another account. Took 2 oil trades this morning. I was in early, a little before 8. Caught this trade here, a nice trade, and then it just plowed right through. I was looking at this triple break, hidden divergence setup right here. Didn't take it, again, because my trailer, after I targeted here, my trailer really didn't have enough profit in it to pay for this ad should it have been a loser. So I waited to get down here, and then we broke near side standard divergence, which gives us, means we are clear to go, get a pullback. Was looking for a deeper pullback, but just the way the market was reacting to the downside, had gotten in, got the target, and then basically trailer got out of break even along with this trailer. Really nice 3-lot trade with a 3-lot ad, getting nothing out of the last trailer here. And now we're just sitting here waiting for this market to the YM to let us know what it really wants to do. What's neat about the trend following trading is we're not trying to wait for this trend to end or trying to figure out where it's going to end so that we can get long and try to fight this. This could grind slowly all day long, all the way down. It could turn around and come back up, but we're just going to move our stop down if it keeps going down. And we're not going to worry about having to get into it and things of that nature. Things are very slow today. The Russell was going up. The YM is kind of doing the same thing as this, except it's a little bit to the upside. So, it's what I call none of the indexes are in confluence. Maybe the YM and the ES are close, except the YM really is in buy, and the ES, the ES is in buy and the YM is in sell. So let me just verify that. And not by much, not much difference. So we'll just hang on to this and ride this out. When the spark closes, we'll see where the stop dot comes down. If it comes down below here, we'll move our stop. And again, very comfortable trading. This area of resistance is holding for the moment. Let me get this out of the way. We did get a buy signal on ES, which did stop me out here. Okay, so basically, real easy trading here. One loss, I took it way early. However, I have no problem with taking pre-market trades. I'm responsible for my trades. One loss, one winner, nothing, or three ticks out of the trailer, and we're still up. Now this is doubling up on the YM. We're still up basically up 12 ticks. One loser, one winner. Can't really complain about that. I mean, that's the way to trade. Not a lot, nothing to brag about, but I do want to show people that not every day is a fabulous follow through day. But having said that, when those days happen is when we make really good money. And when these days happen, we can still make a fair amount of money. However, this market didn't want to cooperate with follow through. It did enough to give us a target and a little bit on our trailer. Could have gone to the smaller time frame chart and exited here. Got some more out of this trade that way. The Russell also had a nice fast time frame buy in it that went quite a ways and just exited out as a trailer. Early this morning in oil, we had a couple really nice trade with a nice add-on. And again, I changed the landing page in our website. We're now developing the market analyzer, NinjaTrader 7 market analyzer, so that we can put all these tools in there. And when the very best setup conditions are met, it's going to flag us. We can click on the grid, is what it'll be. Chart will pop up. We can decide whether we want to take the trade or not. Hopefully, it's going to give us the price automatically where we click a button and say enter stop limit or enter market. And we'll be in the trade. So we no longer need to focus on a market and pick it apart. We'll let the market analyzer tell us whatever market we're scanning that's in it, where the best setup is occurring in that particular market. And let's use the power of the method rather than trying to figure out when things are going to turn around and when things are going to continue. These type of setups happen all the time in every market. And a lot of them have follow through. The ones that follow through have very unique signatures with TFT tools. So why be stuck on a specific market, whether it's the mini Dow or oil or gold or the Russell or the euro or any of the currencies? Why not take the very best setup? And that is what is yet to come. Please visit www.trendfollowingtrades.com for more information. Opt in to our mail-in list. We will give you updates on upcoming webinars regarding the new custom market analyzer for TFT tools. We do not spam, so if you opt in there, you're not going to be getting emails from us unless it's regarding an upcoming webinar. Thank you.